What's up guys, welcome back to Austin Make Stuff. Hang on. This week I kind of wanted to show you the end result of a project we've been working on for the past few months. What was our carport slash garage has now turned into my first dedicated shop. We put a lot of effort into this project over the past few months as we've had the funds and the time available to work on it, but ultimately I'm just thrilled with how it's turned out. As you watch this video, think about how you would arrange this shop if it were yours and leave a comment below. Before we get started, I just wanted to quickly say thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do by clicking the button below. We're growing every day and we'd love for you to be a part of this community. My family came over earlier today and actually helped me install this wall to close in my garage back here. I hope you can see it. So it's really just a construction zone right now. I installed this door into my little storage area. I've got some new doorknobs and things. Tomorrow I'm going to be putting up some cedar shingle siding.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you leave a comment below telling me how you would arrange the shop if it were yours. If you haven't already, hit the button below or this little icon here and subscribe to my channel. We're currently at 232 subscribers and we're growing every day, and I'd love for you to be a part of this community and not miss any updates or uploads going forward. I put out new videos just about every Sunday, and here are a couple of other videos that you might be interested in from Austin Makes Stuff, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.